Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw a super cute anime style parrot, so let's get started. We go down and draw as if we were drawing a circle, but before completing it, we move away from the beginning. We go a little away from it, and at the same level we draw the same thing, but in the other side. Now we connect between them with a line like this. We continue with these two lines from the other side to draw the branch, starting with a long line then, and then a slanted line, try to make it more slanted at the end. We come over here and we draw two small lines. Make sure you make the second one a little longer. And by connecting between those 2 points, we continue drawing the line down and then go back. We determine the point here and another point here. Close to the branch. And now in the middle of this, we draw a light line and we connect the points we defined before with it. Now we move to complete the branch by drawing a long line, then another one away from it. And to connect them, we add a small line at the end of both and connect them with an arch. And by using the point here, we draw this line like this. Curved line here with the same level. We draw a light line from this point and then continue along this line in this way. Don't forget to add at the end of the line this shape. Not far from the shape we just created, we draw a small arch. Then we draw the first parrot wing. And with using this light line, it will help us to draw the second wing. By going at the first with a long line to it. And then going with a small line with a light line. By defining the midpoint here, we can complete the wing by connecting both sides to it. we add a small shape over here. And do not forget to add some small lines. After finishing the body, all we have to do is to draw the head of the parrot. We draw a light line. And from this point, we go step by step with small increments until we reach our light line. We use the assistance of another 2 lines. We draw a curved line from this point. If you look at the other side, you will understand why I stopped my curved line there. And we connect between them like this. From this point, we start drawing the beak of our parrot. Two intersecting lines, then an arc connecting them. For the eyes, draw them in this simple way, ensuring they are of equal height. Add those circles inside the eyes to make them look more cute. Before completing the head, let's add more details to our parrot. I'll adjust the drawing so you can see the final part of today's video. Also, remember to subscribe if you stay until the end. Now we will add 2 small lines in those places so that we can remember them. We draw a light line from the first point and go to it with a line in this way. Completing it by drawing those shapes like a steer's. Here's our cute parrot of today's video. I hope you like it. Let me add a heart here to show my love for your support. Thank you and see you in my next videos.